if you're having trouble opening the Word document, to type your information from the Excel spreadsheet onto the Word document. Let me show you what to do. So if you go to the modules and you go to the assignment, so I'm going to scroll down. Here's the assignment, right? Part 1, the counted. So this is if you did all the Excel worksheet stuff. And if you go teaching Excel, I'm going to download this file. If you're using Office 365, okay? So I'm going to say enable editing. So here it is. I'm able to do this on my computer because I have it. But if you don't, then you need to go to your mail system and you go over here and you can go to Word. Sometimes it gives you an option that you can upload the document. If you can't do that, okay, if that option is not there for you to upload a document using OneDrive, because then you can open it, and then you can open it there. If that's not the case, you can go up here. You can go up here to share, right? And you can share this with yourself, and you can share it to your OneDrive. If you share it to your OneDrive, then you can actually open it in OneDrive. So instead, you would click here, and instead of going up here to Word, you would go to the drop down, you would say OneDrive, and then the document would show up in your OneDrive, okay? And you could go down here and say recent files, and it should show there in that area. So try that if it's not opening for you.